she goes. Yeah, let's go.
And Dane's got a fish on too. Okay, help him net him. Con Dog's gonna net him. Here we go. We just let one go. We got another one on. Just watch my rod there, dog. Keep going. iFloatfish.com. Dane's got a beauty. Nice and easy. Okay, stay there, Con. Okay, just keep your rod up, Dane. Here we go. We're going to get another fish here. Double header. I don't know. It's got some awesome colors on it. Don't lose it.
Oh, he's a fighter.
Head first. Dane remembers that.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
These guys are doing this all by themselves. Oh. Careful, careful, careful. It's okay. Don't get wet. Whatever you do, don't get your hands wet. Nice and easy, guys. There we go. That's how we do it.